That's what everything is based on when it comes to women, is their hair, their face too, I understand, but the hair it's always talked about. It's talked about in romance novels, it's talked about in magazines, it's talked about in commercials. And these women have these beautiful heads of hair and you're sitting there with none. Early 20s, I had started seeing hair loss. After children, which would be mid to late 20s, it started getting worse. And so I noticed that there was definitely something that needed to be done. It was thinning, it was falling out. You couldn't style it correctly. You couldn't cover the patches that were thinning, and it was time to make a decision, one way or the other, what to do. I would say probably 8 months after, I noticed the hair sticking up, but the hair in general, like your whole head, just seemed fuller and thicker. Physically, your hair growing out of your head, it is not an extension. It's not because of a particular medicine. It's everything working together. And it's amazing that your own head is producing hair again when it hasn't produced it in so long. Well, confidence is definitely the key. I mean, you just feel better because you have hair. And I mean, once it starts growing, it's just going to keep going, which is, I mean, every day is going to be better, which is kind of nice. The customer service at HRI has been phenomenal. From one extreme to the next, I was, brought from no hair to a full head of hair. I went through a whole emotional state there, and they were there for every step of it. All the other hair products that are out there, whether it's a wig or extensions or some gel you put in your hair, it's still not your hair. And this is how you get your hair. You can pull on it and cut it and color it, whatever you want to do to it, it's still yours.